everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Enoch, and today I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex. And the first thing I want us to do is when you come onto your charts, the first thing you have to do is always add the 200 moving average. I know I'm saying this, most of you know it, but most don't, and I'm telling it to the beginners because today we are teaching those that don't know. Always add the 200 moving average onto your chart, because when you find a chart like this, you can find it in a range like this and you don't know where the market is going. Most of the time when you find it in a range, this market is in downtrend and you don't know. As you can see here, the market has been in downtrend for a long time, since the start of the year. So most of the time when you find a chart like this, the first thing you have to do is add the 200 moving average. That is very good information, because before you even enter the market, you have to know, am I going to take buys or am I going to take sells? Yes, in our situation, if you find the market in a downtrend, we take only sells, because we want to trade with the smart money, we want to trade with the big banks. So let me show you how. If you want to add the 200 moving average into the chart, you go here, insert indicators, then you go on trend, then moving average. So in my situation, I come here, I add the 200 moving average, I can make a trade, and I want it to be exponential, because the exponential moving average moves closer with the last bars of the price. So we add it on. After us adding it on, our chart is going to look like this. Let's first zoom in, we see how this chart looks like. So in our situation, this is how our chart is going to look like. We can zoom out so we can have a bigger picture. And as you can see, since the start, let's first go back. Since around December 30th, the market of Euro GBP has been in a downtrend, and this is very crucial. It would have been very bad if I did a buy and the market continues going down. You would have did another buy and you would have lost money. So this is the most important thing in trading. Before you do anything onto your chart, add a moving average that gives you direction. In our situation, I want you guys to always use the 50 or the 200, but today I'm teaching you how to use the 200. After us adding the 200 moving average, and we're on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, after us adding the 200 moving average, next we can bring in our indicators. So to bring in our indicators, we come here, we insert. After inserting, I have my own custom indicator. Then you go here on custom indicator. My custom indicator is here. So after that, my indicator uses the 50 and the 200 moving average exponential. So I just add on it onto the chart. So as you can see now, my indicator has been projected into the chart, and my indicator gives me dots, or sometimes gives me arrows. I can change it to arrows, and those arrows always tell me when I have to put in my cells. As you can see, I put in a cell here, get out here. But most importantly, we are not here to learn where to first put your entries, because today we are learning how you start and how a beginner can start trading this market in a professional way. So in our situation, we put this indicator. You can remove it and add another indicator. So you can on an indicator list, you can knock on it and delete it. Let's use an indicator everyone has. Let's insert let's say the MACD. So in this situation, we insert the MACD with the custom settings. We press OK. So let's zoom in. So if you find our chart like this, remember, I will teach you how to use the MACD. So in our situation, if I want to use the MACD, I always take buy positions when I get a crossover below the zero line. This is the zero line on the MACD. If I want to take sell signals, I always take the sell signals when I get a crossover above the zero line, and I have to first consider the trend. So this is how the strategy goes. I add the 200 moving average onto my chart. After adding the 200 moving average onto my chart, I add my indicator that I'm going to use to trade. So in this situation, I added the 200 moving average and I added the MACD. After me adding the MACD, if I'm looking for sell signals, find the MACD around this area, I always wait for a crossover above the zero line. So in our situation, I find my signal here or here. If I find my signal here, I put my stop loss just above the 200 moving average, and I aim for 1 times risk. So if my first entry was around this area, I would have put a stop loss of 620 points and aim for 620 points, closing me out at profit around here. Are we together? So that's the whole way how you can trade, and that's the only way to what? to minimize the losses you're going to make as a beginner. As we have seen, if you want to trade Forex, you have to first plot the 200 moving average or moving average onto your chart. Then you plot your indicator onto the chart. If you want to use the indicator that I use, it is in the link in the description below, and that link will lead you to a video that shows you how to use that indicator, and you can download it for free, or you can use my WhatsApp number that is in that video and you text me. Thanks for watching. This is a new channel. I would request if you like the video, and you also subscribe to this channel, because I won't be putting out free content about Forex on a daily basis or 3 times a week. Thanks for watching.